Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long, but I'm here to add some more code to our project just in time since we're having a crypto run-up. Okay, so here we have our code, and let's go ahead and rerun what we have. All right, here we are at terminal. Let's go ahead and run our script. We get our JSON objects. One is parsed, which you can put into an online JSON parser to read. A viewer from our first video made a good suggestion. Sophie mentioned she used Symbol to look up the cryptocurrency in her API calls. Let's go ahead and use that method as well. Thanks, Sophie. Back at our code, we just need to modify the parameter in order to pull the API calls by symbol. So let's go ahead and change that. Instead of ID, we're using symbol. And we're going to look up, let's say, Ethereum. And we're going to use the ticker symbol. You can find a list of symbols at Coinmarketcap.com, and the symbols will be at the right of the cryptocurrency name. Let's go ahead and save our code and run it. All right, let's go ahead and try to run our script again. So as you can see, we get our two JSON objects, but this time it's giving us Ethereum. And it tells us the ID of Ethereum, which is 1027, the name, the symbol, and most importantly, the price. All right, let's add some logic. Let's say if Ethereum's price is over $600, we want it to let us know that we're filthy rich. Okay, let's go ahead and comment out these prints so that we don't have too much data on the screen. We have our parsed data object right here. What we want to do is that we want to pull Ethereum's name out of that data object. So I'm going to create a variable. And inside this variable, I want to pull just the name. So let's go ahead and print that out. I know this information because I've parsed the data in a JSON parser. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and then we're going to go ahead and try to run it and see what happens. All right, let's go ahead and test our script. And it returns us the name Ethereum, and that's what we're looking for. So let's add more to our logic. All right, let's go ahead and print out the price of this Ethereum object. So we could just copy paste this for quick measure. But instead of the name, we want the quote in USD. Then we want the price. Let's go ahead and save that. And then we're going to run it in our terminal. Let's go ahead and run that. All right, so right now Ethereum is $564. Last thing we need to do is have the script tell us if it's more than a certain price. So we'll just put in some logic. Back at our code, the next steps we need to do is create a string. So we'll just call this Ethereum string. And we're just going to make that equal to stringing this object right here. And then from there, we'll make it into a float variable. So Ethereum price is equal to floating this Ethereum string. So what do we do with that? We're going to create an if statement that if Ethereum's price is greater than $640, it's going to print out, I'm filthy rich. An exclamation because I'm excited that I'm filthy rich. Let's go ahead and run this. Oops, I almost missed this E right here. My mistake. All right, let's go ahead and run this. So go ahead and save it. Here we are at terminal. Let's go ahead and run it. And as you can see, it didn't print us out anything because our price is not over $640. So let's just say if it's over $500, change this to $500. Let's go ahead and save it and then run it again. And here we are. $567 is over $500, and I'm filthy rich. I hope this gives you guys plenty of ideas on how to play around with this code. Once again, if you liked the video, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and leave some comments, and I'll continue building on this project. All right, so have fun, guys. See you next time.